Hi everyone, so today I have this card kit for you that LDRS Creative has brought to HSN for the August 11th craft day. It is their Fall-O-Ween card kit. So let's check this out. So I will say that LDRS Creative did, let me open this up, send this item free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own. And the links I'll have in the description box, again with the HSN and YouTube possibly embedded in the video here down at the very top of the description box. Those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you're a purchase items through those links. So thank you so much for the support, guys. I really appreciate it. Let's check this out. I'm super excited. Fall-O-Ween is so fun. Love it. Look at the artwork already just on the packaging is very pretty, of course. And so it does have 15 because it says Fall-O-Ween 15 on the card kit there. A2 card bases, 15 envelopes, 15 design toppers, 18 die cut sentiments, and lots of die cut ephemera. When they say lots, they mean it. So let's open this up and see what we have here. Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay, and I love the envelopes. They're not just, white or, it's the basic thing like that. They're beautiful craft card envelopes. That's lovely. You have your white card bases here. Again, 15 of each of those things. And then we have our card toppers. I suppose, let me grab one of these already because I know we're going to use that momentarily here. So they do have a white kind of background, right? The base of it, single-sided, of course. You have this beautiful arch with that beautiful artwork, the pumpkins, or however you want to call them. Beautiful flowers and things there. Gourds, I guess, is the other word I was looking for. And this one has them on the side with little corn, with the beautiful oak leaves and different things there. Beautiful florals. It's lovely. And this one has a cool, either at the bottom like this, or you can use it like this too, right? However you want to orient that one, with the beautiful florals, a little bit larger florals on this one with the little corn in the background, little wheat stalks, and of course your gourd there. It looks like there are 3 of each of these. Yeah, there's gonna be 3 of each of these designs. This one maybe is at the bottom, maybe you put it to the side here, either way. With those beautiful, again, same kind of artwork. Love the colors, really rich, but also kind of muted, like the burgundies of it all and everything that's in here. Very lovely. And then this one with that beautiful kind of diamond shape in the center with the gold foiling, and then your beautiful gourds. So again, 3 of each of those. Let's look at the sentiments, then we'll take a look at all the ephemera. These are gonna make beautiful quick cards. I can see that already. So we have Happy Halloween, right? And it's not like a little kid Halloween, should I say, right? It looks like there's more Halloween related items in the ephemera. We'll check that out in a moment. Grateful for all you do. That's beautiful, especially, at the fall. Hope your days are filled with all the comforts of fall. And again, this has that cool shape like the diamond shape we saw earlier. Think of you as the leaves turn and the air grows golden. Maybe not for that one, but anyway, I just want to show you what that looks like. May the season wrap you in warmth and simple joys. Excuse me. And again, it looks like there are 3 of each of these. So very thankful for all the blessings in my life. And again, that's what fits that arch area. Beautiful. And let's take a look at our ephemera here. Oh well, okay, lots and lots of ephemera. I can see there's a few of each, and they kind of stay together. Whenever you get a package like this, they're kind of together, right? The different pieces. I kind of don't want to mix them up too much, but we have sprigs, and they definitely look like those beautiful pieces you get for floral arrangements, Beautiful floral there. Again, different sizes. You can see this one, and then the one behind it's a little bit larger, and then even larger. And the different caramel colors and golden tones. Really pretty. You can see this little sprig has more black, maybe a little more on the Halloween side of things. Look at this bow. That is so cool. Let's say you put together some things with a little bow. Very pretty. I was gonna say I saw a little witch's shoe there. That's very cute. A different kind of bow. It's beautiful. Little gourds. Really, really just beautiful artwork that we expect from LDRS Creative. We saw those guys, little sprigs, some more gourds. I'm going to try to spread them out a little bit here. Different colors of gourds in this one, the greens and the oranges, that deep, beautiful deep color. Look at this. Really beautiful colors. Little witch's hat coming up. Beautiful. And look at the cat. Oh my gosh, that is lovely. Lots of beautiful sprigs and leaves. And they have just a scant like white outline. I know sometimes on ephemera, sometimes they don't have any outline at all. Sometimes they have a really big outline. This is just like just right. And all the sprigs and things, right? So let me clear the decks, think about what kind of card I want to make today, and I'll be right back. I think maybe we do this one just so I can show you like how it mimics the shape, and then we're going to tuck some other beautiful things in there. So it's very fall on that one. And so let's kind of play around with some of these things. Let me go ahead and glue this down. I'm just simply going to put glue on the back of this and stick it down. Stuck down. So we have this guy, and you know, I just deck it out, just fill it in with beautiful things in the background. Trying to see which ones I would like to use. It has a little foil there. Okay, so that leaf kind of mimics that one there. And then also, do you want to make it look the same from the top and the bottom, or, you know, whatever it is you want to do? I got two. I was going to say, I feel like I grabbed two, yeah. And just something like that to add a little more up there. And then maybe something a little different down here. Let's see. That. We have a little pumpkin. I was going to pop this up on dimensionals, but now I'm thinking maybe you add like a little pumpkin up on a dimensional instead. And I'm not mimicking one side or the other, like these are completely different, right? What's going on there? I will say I do have orange, and I have this orange. Maybe I go with a different color. Maybe instead of this orange we had, oh yeah, that's cool because it's kind of like what was there anyway. Just add a little more texture, and maybe I should put a third thing up here. Okay, and then you can still do much more. I think that's, you know me, I'm a little bit of a less is more kind of girl. Okay, let me put these away. I mean, there's just so much in here. I'll be right back. Okay, so if you like, you can get cling wrap. If you're very happy with what it looks like, you get a piece of cling wrap and you stick it on here, and when you lift it up, all these things will be stuck to the cling wrap, and then you just put glue all over the back and then stick it back down. But I like pretty much exactly where things are. Maybe I'll bring this out a little bit more this way. So what I'm going to do is, generally I try to just get my glue behind here and stick things down that way. I'll hold that down. And it's not like, oh no, I can never get it back, but you know, if you really like a design, you can just do something like this. And I'm putting the glue on my card base. I'm gonna hold that down for a moment before we go to this side. And then on this side, same kind of thing. Just pick these up, get some glue down there. This one I'm going to put up on a dimensional, so I'm not gonna glue it that way, but I will take this. And I'm gonna hold that down, but I'll get a little dimensional on this guy, okay? And I think what I'll do is glue here, dimensional up here, okay? Depending on how you wanna place that. So I'll put glue down here and a little bit of a dimensional up here. I get that glued down, we're gonna put glue on the back of this guy. And I'm just eyeballing where it would look like nice and straight, but also centered. And again, we'll glue down here. I already have my dimensional up in this top area. And I'm going to clear the lettering. Of course, you don't want to cover that up. Stick that down and then just hold down this part. I'll be right back. Okay guys, and that is our gorgeous card. Again, just fleshed out with more of the ephemera with those beautiful backgrounds, and it just pulls together really nicely. Just a gorgeous kit, guys. Thanks for watching. I will have images coming up. I will have the links again as appropriate down in the description box of all the different things LDRS Creative has brought that are currently available. And I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.